Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am hanging on the wall and I'm gonna unbox Into the Spider-Verse Miles Morales. Okay. Yes, I have it on the shirt. One hand hanging unboxing. Okay, bye-bye box. This is the plastic insert. I like the insert. It has the interlocking things. Okay, say bye to the plastic insert. Wait lang. Okay, it's a defective figure because the thing is not attached. And it fell, and I had to go down and get it. Okay, time to review. Yeah, the paint job's really good. And the pose, the action pose, everyone loves a good action pose. And I think it's supposed to slightly glow under a black light. I don't have a black light, so I hope people with black lights will enjoy this. I like the webbing, the detail. Oh, the spider logo at the back, the red details, the red fingers, the red bottom feet. Yeah, it's nice. The spider logo, the paint job on this one's really good. I'd like it better if it was colored like the movie, because the movie has interesting coloring pattern, shading, whatever. I'm gonna repaint this, but yeah, very nice figure. Bye. Ang bilis niya. Bright green. Kita siya talaga yung down. I think if there's a way bababa galing down, doon na lang siya.